The whole goal out of all of this is a 4-inch hole. If you can stick your arm through, hit the panic device, you can get in the building. They advertise 2 to 3 minutes on that. So those are the products that could fit in a standard door framing before we realized that's not good enough. This is our SG5 product. This is a Graham solid core wood door. Here we shot this 10 times. Our School Guard SG5 in a ASSA ABLOY Graham wood door with a Curry's Type 10 like it.
Keep going.
54. Oh. Give me a second. With this type of situation in that interior application, someone can shoot this door, they can shoot this lock, they can shoot this glass, but they're not getting in.